Guys, on the basis of the study of allowed and disallowed transitions, this is a question which is most often asked in the university exam. That is, forbidden transitions does not mean that transitions would never take place. Explain. I had told you all, when we are talking about forbidden transition, we should not think that it is never allowed, but it is having low probability of occurrence. Now, what is that low probability of occurrence? Let us try to understand here. So, the answer should be something like this. Under point number 1, you should write according to selection rule. According to selection rule. Now, what is the selection rule telling us? That transition from S0 to T1 is not allowed, whereas transition from S1 to T1 is also not allowed, and both of these are forbidden transitions. Secondly, you can speak about that the selection rule states that during excitation the geometry does not change. The geometry of the molecule does not change. However, there are some vibrations which may lead to change in geometry. And when the geometry of the molecule changes, that time the forbidden transition can take place. Try to understand this point very nicely and clearly. When your electron is getting flipped from S0 to S1, and at that time when the electron is in excited state, some vibrations occur which lead to the change in geometry of the molecule, that is, the shape of the molecule changes. That time the forbidden transition can take place. So that is why during these times, change of vibrations, forbidden transition takes place, and that is why it means that it is not that forbidden transition will never take place. Now, as an example, you can take pointer 4, wherein you can tell, consider a molecule whose electrons are in S0 state. So when it gets excited, on excitation, what will happen? It will go to S1. Now S1 to T1 is a forbidden transition. But while the electron is in S1, because of some other thing, vibration takes place and the geometry or the shape of the molecule changes. So that time the electron flips from S1 to T1 because the energy level of both these states are nearly identical. So that is why the electron passes from S1 to T1 when the geometry of the molecule changes. Remember, this is very important. That is pointer number 3. Because of some vibration, the shape of the molecule, that is, the geometry of the molecule changes, and that is the time when this forbidden transitions can take place.